A real quick video here since I'm already here, and I'm doing a timing belt on this 91 Acura Legend. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this driver side motor mount, front motor mount. It's got two nuts. They're 17 millimeters, one up here and one, I don't know if you can see it. It's right. Let me put it back on so you can see where it goes. Right there. Yeah, it's a perfect shot. Right there. So 17 millimeter. Like I said, I already loosened it up. It's off. One at the top, 17 millimeter. And then you gotta kind of support the engine a little bit so you can put a jack under there with a piece of wood under the oil pan, lift up a little bit, and there's two bolts here. I think they're 14s. You put the jack under the oil pan. About there, just to kind of support it a little bit. Right there. Like I said, this one up top, I already loosened it up, so we're just gonna take it off by hand. And like I said, these two bolts here are 14 millimeters. Break the other one loose, is over there under the power steering pulley. And that one's loose. That one's not tight at all. Okay, let's see. There's that one out. And that one's a shorter bolt. So, feels like there's another bolt somewhere. That one. Keep track because all these bolts are like different size. Assuming nothing else is attached to it. Okay. There it is. So here's the new one. They're identical. You see that little notch right there? There's a little stud right there that it goes. Should only go in one way. See right here has another little stud, and down here there's a little notch. So there, I'm pretty sure it's in place. Now, to wiggle this back in place, it's probably gonna be just as fun as it was when we were removing it. Now we gotta get it behind the dang power steering. There you go. Hang on. Nope, it's not in place yet. Okay, so apparently my phone overheated and it shut off. So anyways, these two bolts up here are the same, that one. This one's the longest bolt and the smallest one is the one that goes over there. I already tightened them all up except for this one. It's tight. Now let's put this 10mm here, 10mm bolt. I'm gonna lower the engine so we can put that one nut. There you go. Tight. Now I'm gonna go under there and put the other nut. And that's all there is to it, guys. The main thing that takes longer and is a pain in the butt is to try to wiggle this bracket out of the way. That's the thing that takes longer, or to pull it out so you can get the mount out. After that, you just put the 4 bolts to hold the bracket, these 2 nuts, and you're done. That's it. See you next time. In case you're wondering where I got it from, there's the website motorking.com, and somewhere there should be the part number, somewhere here. So just in case anybody was wondering, there you go.